guys. So I heard today that Overwatch just got announced for the Nintendo Switch. Fuck. Alright, I guess let's just take a look at this shit, bro. We got Genji here. They have to specify not actual gameplay footage because we all know this shit is gonna be like 30 FPS and you can count every pixel, you know? The worldwide phenomenon. Yeah, it's a phenomenon. Just how fucking, like... Fuck you. What the fuck?! It's a phenomenon that just... How Overwatch can really fuck with your mental health, bro. Like, that shit's just bad. Like, yeah, it's a phenomenon, but in a bad way, bro. Hold on a second. Oh. That's Diva. Wow. He came in like a wrecking ball. Oh, that's my wife, Mercy. You all know I'm a Mercy main. Internet access required for online features. Oh, that's true. It's a handheld, right? It's a handheld. You can take it everywhere, bro. What if you're just like on the car? Like on the car. What if you're just like in the car or something, like on a long ass road trip and you want to fucking play some Overwatch? You're gonna need to like tether that shit to your phone, and then you owe like fucking $6,000 to your phone company because you weren't supposed to tether your Switch to your phone, you know? Very nice. Oh, did you see that frame drop? Did you see that frame drop? Oh no. That's not my PC, bro. That's the video that's got the frame drop, dude. They couldn't even render that without the frame drop, bro. That's just how poorly it's gonna run on the Switch. This shit's gonna... You know how hectic Overwatch can be sometimes? You know, you got like hella shit going on. You got like Hammond's wrecking balls here, and then you got fucking Symmetra shield here, and then you got fucking, you know, the hamster, you know, shooting his fucking sperm lasers everywhere, and I don't know, you got fucking just a bunch of particles, just a bunch of entities having to be rendered at the same time. The Switch really can't handle that shit, bro. I don't fucking know, dude. Even watching like Fortnite gameplay on the Switch just makes me want to fucking eat my fucking eyes, bro. New ways to play. Oh no! Oh, motion controls! They got motion controls, bro. Game and system sold separately, yeah, because in every Nintendo Switch box, fucking Jeff Kaplan. Available the 15th of... Great, I won't even be in the country when this shit comes out, bro. Do I care? No. Am I gonna buy this? No.